Like the Nokia G20 sports a sleek profile and weighs just 196 grams. Nokia calls it a Nordic design and it definitely looks great. As for ports, you get a dedicated micro SD card slot on the smartphone along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. There's a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on the smartphone that is fairly snappy. You get a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display on the smartphone which is optimally bright and great for watching your content. The display has a 2.5D curved glass cover which makes it easy to use and adds an aesthetic appeal to the smartphone. It is extremely responsive and does not miss out, be it a swipe, tap or pinch. The display is combined with a loudspeaker setup that delivers crisp audio output. You get a quad camera setup on the Nokia G20. The main camera is a 48MP wide-angle sensor with face detection autofocus. Then there is a 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens for creating a bigger frame. This setup is combined with a 2MP macro lens and another 2MP depth sensor for a beautiful bokeh effect. The main camera setup can record 1080p videos at 30fps and comes with an LED flash to illuminate the frame. The selfie camera is an 8MP shooter that can record 1080p videos at 30fps. Yes, it is in fact great for vlogging and selfies. The Nokia G20 is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 octa-core processor which is great for everyday tasks and you can do some light gaming on it as well. 11 out of the box which is combined together with an almost stock Android UI skin. It to last 3 days. This is possible thanks to the efficiency of the chipset.
Presenting the Nokia G20 smartphone. The product comes in blue color and also available in silver color. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal memory. The memory is expandable up to 64GB and allows for seamless multitasking. It supports dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The smartphone comes with a Nordic design of 6.5 inches HD plus screen with 1600 x 720 pixels resolution that delivers vivid colors and clarity. It has a 21:9 aspect ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate with a teardrop display and a brightness boost. It features side fingerprint sensor and face unlock. It has a 48MP quad rear camera with powerful AI imaging modes and OZO audio. Powered by Android 11 operating system with MediaTek G35 octa-core processor, this makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone has a 5050 mAh lithium-ion battery with 5V 2A charging. The box includes Nokia G20 device, Type-C USB cable, charger, quick start guide, SIM pin, pre-applied screen protector and a protective case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.